Hello and welcome to English Learning Hub. In this video, we're going to be practicing your speaking and conversational skills by having a conversation, you and me. What is it going to look like? I have prepared 3 dialogues on 2 different topics. One line is for me, and the other one is for you. You will see them on the screen. I'm going to say my part, and you're going to read your line out loud on the screen, and that will be your response. Here are the 2 topics for this video. An interview. Buying a present. Let's get started. An interview. This dialogue is between someone who is looking for a summer job and the interviewer. You're the job seeker, and I'm the interviewer. Come in and take a seat. So you're looking for a summer job? Do you have any hotel experience? Well, a lot of our visitors don't speak English. Can you speak any other languages? Okay, good. What about German? Now, we need people who can drive because the hotel is a long way from the town, and there aren't any buses. That's great. What about computers? Can you use a computer? Once a week, we have a Scottish food and music night for our visitors. Can you sing or play a musical instrument? Great. Well, thanks very much for coming here. We'll call you next week about the job. Buying a present. These 2 dialogues include most of the basic questions and answers while buying a present or gift for someone. I'm the saleswoman and you are the customer. In a jewelry store. Okay. What kind of thing are you looking for? How about a ring? Maybe a bracelet, then. These bracelets are made of 22-karat gold. A diamond. And it's less than $6,000. In a toy store. Do you need any assistance, ma'am? Okay. How old is he? What about a skateboard? How about a drum set? I have the perfect thing. A do-it-yourself computer kit. Share your experience and suggestions in the comments section. I will upload more conversation videos to enhance your speaking and conversational skills, so stay tuned. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notifications because more essential content is on the way. See you in the next videos.